Wow. So it is like in this video, I can see a person who's wearing the glove and they're raising their, and then that robotic arm is moving at the same time.
Yeah. Actually, he used the fingers to grab the object initially, so we don't have this in the video, but the robot is mimicking the hand.
So this, I guess the application of this is that sometimes you might have like hard to reach areas, sewers, tunnels, fire. Yeah.
Actually, this is an innovation area led by giants like Siemens here. They have some activities called Factory of the Future. So they have a lot of areas where humans should teleoperate robots. So this use case is exactly useful for this area, since you can real-time teleoperate accurately a robot. This could go in many areas of the production line or emergency situation.